quick presentation in terms of how I use insights to create products and products that I know will sell online. So this particular presentation is called From Insights to Concept to Product to Testing to Generating Revenue. So for obvious reasons, as you can tell, the keyword AI, artificial intelligence, anything that has to do with AI is currently trending. I believe this one said there has been a 40% increase in that particular search year over year. So that is good insight. It means that the keyword is in demand. A lot of persons are searching for it. So once I have that insight, I turn to what's this again? Google Ads using the keyword planner just to validate what Google Trends say. I wanted to understand the search volumes, what are some of the things, what are the other keywords or related keywords people are searching for, and then from there I create a campaign. So these stats, these numbers came from Keyword Planner, as you can see. Artificial General Intelligence, there has been a 50,000 average monthly searches for that. But I'm not even focused on the top, 10. I'm focused on those sweet spots, the AI taking jobs, AI jobs loss, all those one, future work of AI, simply because I do believe in the next coming months that will be a hot topic. So I'm trying to get ahead of the searches and start creating a product that I know will start to sell, will generate a lot of interest in the future. So based on the insights, I created the product AI Proof Careers Hub. And trust me, there are a lot of tools and skills went into this. So some of the tools I use include obviously Stripe for payment, Netlify, Claude Code, cross-reference with Codex. I use different skills and also some different MCPs. One of the MCPs I used was Figma. Figma has a really good MCP, especially when you're building out websites. In addition to that, there are several skills right now for Claude that is really good. One skill includes the impeccable skill, the taste skill. I use 21st Dev to get those nice buttons. You see that sort of shimmery thing on it. So that was also good. And yeah, for the most part, I do think that there were some other things that came into play with this particular product. Academic.edu as well as Zenoda, those host the thesis, which allowed me to obviously share it on this particular platform. And good old Amazon is where the book is actually being sold, which is actually good. So I don't have the time to sort of list out all the tools. I think in total there are about 33 things that I had to consult with from an artificial intelligence standpoint to create this particular product. So it's pretty good, and it's definitely one that I'm proud of. Last slide, from research to market development. This is what, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, these are 8 particular steps that are typically critical to how I build. I always research, always get some insights. From those insights, I get a nice concept. The most important one right now is the development, because the development can take inordinate amount of time. Once the product or the platform is developed, obviously there's testing. Then I do a soft launch, and the soft launch will give me an indicator of whether people like it or not. Obviously there's some income, there's some little revenue that is made. And then once I get that indication, I move to full market development. Market development, it's not just locally. I believe that Jamaica still has 2.8 or something like that million people, but once you have an online platform, it allows you to tap into the globe. So I always use either Florida, North America, different parts of obviously the world to run my different ads, and from there you drive revenue accordingly, or as I always like to say, you make some money. All right, so that's just some quick insight. It definitely works if you are a digital marketer, because you have an understanding of creating ads and creating campaigns to drive interest. But if you are a general marketer and obviously a coder, AI expert, I think it works even better right now, because you have all the tools at your disposal. So Hope you learned something today, and stay tuned for next week. I do have another product that I want to share with you. So hope you learned something this time. All right. Thank you.